Yung pala si Danica. Ayun yung pinigay sa ang telephone number ni Carla.
Danica, may water.
Kay Kyrie. Hindi talaga yun. Ayun na yun.
Walang water.
Farm.
Water ba?
Siya na si ano?
Ganda ng likod ni Carla.
Army. Ganda-ganda lang ang dose. Hindi lang ba ulit? Talaga si ano? Jasmine. Sa gitna pa eh. Ano ba yan? Go, go, go. Kachuchay. Kachuchay. I-lose mo na.
She may have been born into showbiz, but she's made her own way and proved herself to get where she is now. Casey Concepcion, so The Buzz exclusives sa kanyang mga albums, magazine covers, pelikula at TV shows. Isang bagay ang hindi may tatanggi. Casey's X Factor. Kaya ngayong isa na siya sa pinakasikat na personalidad sa industriya. Casey is ready to search for the next IT performer sa pinakamalaking talent reality contest sa buong bansa, The X Factor Philippines. Ilang buwan matapos suyurin ang buong Pilipinas, kasama ang mga di-kalibreng judges na sina Charisse, Martin Rivera, Filita Corrales, at Gary Valenciano. The X Factor debuted its premiere episode last night. Lahat tumuto, napahanga at naaliw sa nagbabakasakali nating mga kapamilya. Lahat sila handa nang itodo ang big battle for the 4 million prize at stake. Now, Casey is back on The Buzz. Her exciting and exclusive revelations live.
Casey, sobrang ka namin na miss. Grabe.
Nakakamiss rin kayo.
Bumalik ka na.
X-Factor muna.
Sige, o puntuan muna tayo. First of all, of course, I would just like to say congratulations. We are so happy for you kasi napaka-giganting show talaga ang X Factor. And as of last night, you guys did so well. Nag-trending pa kayo worldwide.
Thank you. Sa lahat ng mga nanood at sumusuporta sa X Factor. Alam niyo, 20,000 people sa buong bansa ang nag-audition for this. And hindi lang mga taga dito, kundi pati yung mga nanggaling sa ibang bansa sa mundo. So, from 20,000, naging 172, naging 68, tapos top 20, and ngayon, final 12. Sa pinaka-last part sa ng X Factor, maglalaban na.
So how did it feel, Case? Kasi alam ko sa January, talagang pinaghandaan nyo talaga mabuti yung show.
Yeah,
and finally, it was aired.
Yes.
Share this with everyone.
Yeah, 6 months yung minimum that they gave us to do auditions na Simon Cowell. Yung para ni Simon Cowell.
Friends na kayo.
So it's a minimum of 6 months that they gave us to audition. mga Pinoy. Nakaka-proud talaga ang talent ng Pinoy.
So how different naman is this X Factor sa ibang mga talent reality searches?
Siguro mas may puso, makikita mo yung behind the scenes ng mga judge at co-ren, and yung mga contestants nga rin, lahat ng mga storya nila. Kasi ang daming pinanggalingan ng iba't ibang contestant. Merong security guard, meron isa nag-resign pa sa Singapore, yung isa talagang dream lang nila. And it's nice to see both young and not so young people have an opportunity to make their dreams come true. Kasi yung iba, since walang age limit ang X Factor, usually 25 ang age limit.
Oo, hanggang dyan na lang.
Ito hanggang 99.
Pwede. Pero
Hanggang 150 years old.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Pero last night, meron din isang contestant, si Mang Modesto. Di ba he's 50 plus years old? Kumanta ba siya ng My Way at naging emotional si Charisse doon, di ba?
Yeah, 1 hour bago kami nakapag-take ulit.
Ah,
Totoo po
talaga?
yun niya. Nagulat rin pati siya. Sabi niya, that was weird. Sabi niya ganyan. But siguro kasi first time rin niyang umuwi sa Pilipinas na hindi pa niya nakikita yung father niya kasi since nangyari yung nangyari. First time niyang manatili sa Pilipinas na
This is Charisse.
for a long time si Charisse.
Kaya nagulat siya when she heard Mang Modesto singing My Way.
But that's the thing with X Factor is pati ang mga judges, pati ako bilang host, may storya.
And speaking of stories, syempre, we can't let this day go by without asking about your love life, Casey. Status ng puso mo ngayon, are you dating, happily single, or still searching?
Hungry. Tapos ngayon, hungry pa. Wala pa akong lunch sa Manila. Hindi, pero it's really... No, I don't mean that.
Hungry! Oh, explain, bakit ako yung na-tense kay Casey? Bakit?
No, alam nyo, I've been burnt. Marami akong natutunan. So right now, I'm being very careful, very, nung umpisa scared. Pero
Now?
right now, I'm just being very careful. Being very careful lang talaga.
O diretsahan, are you dating anyone in particular now?
You know, I can't date anyone right now because recently, parang nag-decide ako na non-showbiz na lang ang maganda for me.
So, meron.
So, ang hirap ngayon is that I didn't think nga na talagang magtotodo-todo ako and I'm hosting, I'm singing, I'm dancing, I'm acting. So, this is my world right now. So, medyo mahirap na unless maghanap ako dito sa mundong to, but for now, wala pa dun yung
So, no time for love. Pero sinabi mo you're hungry, so in the future, what kind of love are you craving for?
really somebody humble, somebody that is humble, hardworking. I want somebody...
Natagal sa isip ko, Lord.
I want somebody hardworking and humble.
Humble.
Yeah,
Yun lang?
somebody that can be a good, alam nyo, ang weird eh, pero gusto ko yung next ko, yun na talaga.
What?
Kasi parang ayoko na, di ba, kayo, tapos magbe-break, tapos kayo magbe-break, parang, siguro na tayo mag-break.
Casey, if you don't mind, how old are you now?
7.
So, ibig mo sabihin at this time, kung sino ang magiging lalaki sa buhay mo, baka siya na yun?
I don't know, but siguro that's why I'm here. Siguro that's why I'm here.
Kinikilig ako.
Because I really want to, I don't want to be hurt again. Ano ba yan? I don't want to be hurt again, and I want to have fun. And right now, I want to have fun.
And you deserve all the happiness in the world. Teka muna, Casey. Kaya alam ko meron din talagang sobrang may crush sa'yo si Jules. Kamusta naman si Jules?
Jules is a friend. Tanggalin niyo yung face ko, please. My boss family. Napaponscious ako. Direk, wait lang. Yung dabas na lang daw. Si Jules is really a friend. He knows. It's very clear na I said, Jules, I'm really busy at work right now. Friendship, a very close friendship is the best I can offer you right now.
Oh, at least honest ka.
Oo, di ba? At least honest ako. And at the same time, wala akong pinapaasa because I'm very honest with him and he doesn't live here. It's always hard naman in long-distance relationship. I mean, and at this point, I want to have fun. We've only spent about 2 or 3 days talaga together in our whole life. So, maganda yung nakakasama mo, nakikilala mo pa ng gusto. And at this point, gusto ko na talagang kilalanin yung tao ng gusto, through and through, para masabi ko na, there are lots of beautiful men around the world, handsome guys, both inside and out.
Yes.
And I would love to end up with a handsome man inside and out.
Oh,
yes.
Because I know Casey, she's such a sweetheart at yan din talagang wish ko para sa'yo. And I know that the right love will come at the right time.
Yeah, it will come. I mean, God really has his ways of choreographing your life. And choreograph ako sa'yo. No, but it's exciting. I'm excited to fall in love again!
Bago ka invite ng guests sa X Factor sa second episode nila po next Saturday.
Yeah, mga friends, mas marami bang nariyak sa boyfriend sa Love Live.
Tonight, ang second episode ng X Factor.
Ang X Factor po, every Saturday and Sunday, hindi lang po Sabado, kundi Linggo ng gabi rin, after Saturday Live pag Sunday, and after MMK pag Sabado. Maganda po itong show na to because malaki po siyang show sa United Kingdom, pati sa US, pero napakaganda po ng feeling, ang talento ng Pinoy, and it's a Filipino version ng X Factor. So, sariling ating ito. So this is something I'm proud of as a global Pinay or as a proud Pinay, as a pure Pinay. This is something that talagang ikaka-proud ng mga Pilipino, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, o hindi sa buong mundo, dahil this is show ng TFC.
Yes. Well, Casey, we are proud of you. And of course, maraming salamat for joining us dito. Of course, I'd also like to say happy birthday to Will and Chan, Philip Quason, and happy birthday to G3 who's watching, and congrats on your new Life and Style blog entitled WW, or you can check it out at www.g3cafe.com. And thank you to Pam Quinones, Arby Chaco, Leo Priagola, Dimple Lin, and Naugmang Kapiastan sa mga tagagawang as in namumutan ko ang mga boss at maray na hapon sa Iloca Boss. Ayan, at happy birthday din kay May Ann Novello, Ernie Buenavides, and Rogelio Romoto Jr. Yes, Casey.
Nagusto yun.
Oh,
I want to say, according to Access Watches, make your time count.
Oh, I love that. Well, let's end it with that. Make your time count. And of course, we can never get tired of saying how much we love you here in the Buzz. And you know,
alam niyo, ang Talk family ang nagturo sa akin mag-host. So kung ano man ang natutunan ko sa inyo, thank you. Please watch the X Factor Philippines with Mr. Martin Rivera, Gary Valenciano, Cherise, and Ms. Pirita Corrales. This is directed by Mr. Johnny Manahan, and this is, of course, ABS-CBN. So I hope that you like it, hindi lang ngayon, kundi sa buong run ng X Factor Philippines. Out of 20,000, maglalaban-laban po ang top 12, so exciting po yan. Let's see what happens tonight after Sarah G Live.
alright, maraming salamat. And of course, pahabol na happy birthday to Ruben Bonito. Once again, Casey, maraming salamat. We love you. Thank you. Babalik pa po.
Hindi, ano yun eh, sa Twitter yun eh.
Short sa Instagram. Single, complicated, married, hungry. Hungry yung chinek ko. Kesa naman single, pangit lang talaga. Love you guys!
Love you, Casey!
Hi guys!
Casey! Casey! Kiss! Thank you! Oh my God! Too fast!
Sino? Gap na yun. Siyempre, nakatipid. Bye, hungry!